Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Polly Parrot. Peppa and her family are visiting Grandpa Pig and Grandpa Pig. Hello, my little ones. Come inside. We have a surprise. What is this? We have a new pet. Can you guess what is this dinosaur? No, it's not a dinosaur. Come and see. Cái này nhanh quá mẹ. Grandma Pig and Grandma Pig has a pet parrot. This she is pretty Polly. Alright, pretty Polly. Wow. I am a clever parrot. I'm a clever parrot. Come on, everyone. Tea time. Hello, Polly. What is a sweet little parrot? What is sweet little parrot? Come in, everyone. Tea time. Peppa jokes. Come on. There's chocolate cake coming, Granny. Peppa and Joe love chocolate, but today we Polly Parrot finish. What noisy little one you are. Granny, this is a little table and go see Polly Parrot. Are you sure you can go in? Hooray! Shark, say something. Shark is a little pig say. Hello. Hello. Peppa Pig. I'm Peppa Pig. I'm Peppa Pig. Shark, say something. Peppa and Shark and I'm Polly Parrot. Peppa is saying, I'm a noisy parrot. I'm a noisy parrot. Peppa and Jock, you play with Parrot. Yes, Granny. This is such a treat, Parrot. Yes, Granny. I'm a clever parrot. Now I am a noisy parrot. I'm a noisy parrot. Oh my word. Peter.
Super.